Question 3. A van of mass 1,000 kilograms is moving at 10 meters per second along a straight road. The van collides with the back of a stationary car of mass 800 kilograms. The stationary car moves forward at a speed of 8 meters per second immediately after the collision. Determine the speed of the van immediately after the collision. Okay, so this is a momentum question, isn't it? So what we need to do is calculate the momentum before the collision. We'll then know that because momentum is conserved, it will be the same after the collision, so therefore we can work out the speed of the van after the collision. So what we're going to do first of all is work out the momentum before the collision. Now, as we know, momentum equals mass multiplied by velocity, so therefore we're going to say the mass is 1,000 of the van, the velocity is 10, which therefore gives us 10,000 kilograms meters per second. Now, the car is stationary, therefore the car has a momentum of 0. So this momentum is a total momentum of both the car and the van before the collision. So therefore, after the collision, the car and the van also have a momentum of 10,000. So what that means is that 10,000 momentum after the collision equals 1,000 mass of the van times the van's velocity. We don't know what that is, so we'll call it V, plus the momentum of the car. Now the car is now moving, so its mass, remember, is 800. So we can say it's 800 multiplied by 8, because that's the speed of the car now after the collision. So what we now need to do is rearrange this equation to give us the velocity. So we can do V equals 10,000 multiplied by, or take away rather, 6,400. Where did I get that 6,400 from? That is the 800 times 8. Divide that by 1,000, which gives us an answer of 3.6 meters per second. So we can see there that now is the speed of the van after the collision. We're actually given the unit, so we can actually get a mark point there, so we can just write 3.6 in our answer box. So how are the marks given for this? Well, there is 1 mark for calculating the initial momentum, 1 mark for this line of work in here, another mark for this rearrangement, and the 4th mark is for the final answer. That gives the 4 marks available for this question.